Hey, what's up Chemical Guys family, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. On today's video, we're showing you guys the quickest and easiest way to remove door handle scratches. So as you guys can see right here on this RAV4, the door handles are pretty bad. They have a ton of scratches on the inside, and this can be caused by a variety of things. You know, if you have long nails, if you hold your keys whenever you go to open your door handles, that can all play a factor in scratching up these door handles. So today we're gonna show you guys how to restore it. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is prep the surface. Now, what I like to do and what I would recommend for you guys to do so you have more space to work with is grab yourself a small piece of cardboard or anything really, as long as you have something that's really gonna help you keep this door handle open. I like using a piece of cardboard because it's easy, it's cheap, and you can find it anywhere. Put the piece of cardboard there, and you're all set to go. You have much more space to get in there and work with. Now, the next thing that you wanna do is clean the surface. Obviously, you don't wanna be working on a super dirty surface, so all you have to do is clean it. I'm gonna be using a surface prep spray. I'm gonna be using our wipeout. You can use any kind of quick detailer, a waterless wash. So as long as the surface is clean before you get into the actual polishing portion of it, you're good. So I'm gonna grab some wipeout, spray directly on here. And like I mentioned, you don't need wipeout. You can use any of your favorite Chemical Guys quick detail sprays or waterless washes. This is just to ensure that the surface is clean and prepped. So now that that's out the way, I can set down my bottle of wipeout, and then I'm gonna grab two products right here. Now you guys may see my applicator, it is dirty just because we were doing the other door handles and we said, hey, you know what? This is a perfect opportunity for a video because I know a lot of you guys are always asking, how do you get rid of door handle scratches? Well, you're witnessing it now. So my applicator is dirty. This is our orange Hex-Logic hand pad. This does mimic the same material that we use for the polishing machines, only in a nice and convenient sponge that you can grab by hand. The next product that I have right here is our C4 Clear Cut Correction Compound. Now this is a fast-acting compound that's gonna do an incredible job at making easy work of removing scratches, swirls, oxidation, holograms, and much more from your paintwork. So with this right here, all you have to do is apply a few drops onto your Hex-Logic hand pad. As you guys can see, this hand pad is a little chunky, and that's great because that offers more cushion, but we don't really have too much room to work with here. So as you guys can see, this is great so that we can easily get in there and polish it. Obviously, a machine polisher is not really gonna fit in there, so this is the next best thing. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna grab some C4 compound and only apply about 2 drops of product here. And then I'm gonna close my bottle and put that away. And then all you have to do now is apply it to the area. Now the door handles on here are textured plastic, so make sure that you don't get the compound on there. So in this case, I'm just gonna do my best to kind of go around. If you really wanted to, you can actually mask them off with tape. That way you avoid the compound getting on there. Just very carefully getting the product in there. It's okay if you get some on the surrounding areas, you can just wipe it right off. And now all you wanna do is work it. So you guys will see me right here, just work it left and right, up and down, whichever motion that you can. I know this area is a little bit more intricate, so you're really not gonna be able to do much. So you're mostly only gonna be working it up and down. So as long as you work the product thoroughly, you can go ahead and work it and then remove it with your microfiber towel once you're all done. Alrighty, you guys, and once you're done working the product, you can set down your applicator pad, grab yourself a clean microfiber towel, and simply wipe away any excess of the product. And check that out, you guys, the door handle looks amazing. It's actually much shinier than the surrounding area, which just kind of goes to show that, you know, the rest of this vehicle could use a polish, But in this case, the door handles look incredible. The scratches are not there no more. You have that nice high gloss finish back again, and it looks pretty awesome. And as you guys saw, it took little to no effort. All you need is the compound, the Hex-Logic pad, work it thoroughly, wipe it off, and you're all good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to pick up any of the products that we use in today's video, you can find them directly on our website or at your local Detail Garage store. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We'll see you next time.